Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Welcome learners, my name is Stephen Kariungi. Today we continue with our topic of discussion, and the topic is classification 2. Today we'd like us to discuss the second class in the kingdom Plantae, and this is, I would like us to discuss the second division in kingdom Plantae, and this is division Pteridophyta. Division Pteridophyta. We have previously discussed division Bryophyta, which we saw is the least advanced division within the kingdom Plantae. So division Pteridophyta is the second least advanced, and here we have examples such as the ferns, and we have the horsetails. Those are the common examples of division Pteridophyta, and we are going to discuss the characteristics. Among the characteristics of division Pteridophyta is that they have compound leaves, and they have compound leaves that are divided into leaflets called pinna. They have compound leaves, and those compound leaves are divided into leaflets, and those leaflets are referred to as pinna. In singular, it's called pinnule. One leaflet is called a pinnule. Now, the second characteristic is an extension of the first one, is that on the underside of the pinna, which are the leaflets, are the spore-bearing structures, that we refer to as the sporangia. Sporangia, that is the plural. The singular is sporangium. Sporangium bears the spores. So on the lower side of the leaflets or of the pinna, you'll observe some clustered groupings of sporangia. So you can say that on the underside, on the lower side of the pinna, are spore-bearing structures, the spore-bearing structures called sporangia. Sporangium is singular. Sporangium is singular. Spore-bearing structures that exist in groups that are clustered. Into groups called sori, and the singular is soras. So there's something that I would like to explain further there, that on the underside, that is the lower side of the leaflets, we have spore-bearing structures, and those spore-bearing structures are the ones we are referring to as the sporangia. Sporangium is the singular. When it is one, it's a sporangium. Those sporangia exist in groups. They don't exist in isolation. They exist clustered into groups, and those groups are referred to as the sori. The sori is the plural, sorus is the singular, each group. So we have several sori on the underside of the leaflet.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers,